Hey babies, what's up? Hey, what's up? My name is Ash, new to my channel, then hello. Today we're gonna apply my wig using the glue because honestly, glue be taking your edges like that random person at a cookout, just taking all the plates of food without even saying nothing. So anyway, we're gonna apply my hair using no glue, no nothing, because honestly, glue is just so tiring. If you put on your hair every day, it just honestly creates so much of a mess. And sometimes if you want to just take your wig off like that, you don't have time to be applying no glue. Use some alcohol. It's basically you're just gonna see me revive my hair. It was wet. This hair is from the doula hair. It will be linked in the cards above and below because you already know the doula always got me. So anyways, just stay tuned, keep watching, and da-da-da. So to make sure that you want to blend in everything, I just used some liquid concealer that I got from my local beauty supply store, and what you see me do is put it to my part and put it to my lace. Now I don't have a HD lace, it's transparent, but it works just the same because Nadula always got me working, okay? And yeah, basically I use some gel. I lift the little hair up in the front because I hate when hair is flat as a piece of paper on your head. That looks crazy to me, it looks fake. So just having that little bit of homey little touches makes a big difference and makes the wig look a lot more natural.
Bruh.